So there's something called as a clef. Okay, have you seen something like this before?
Oh yeah, I've seen it. It's also called a G clef.
Yes. What does this clef do?
It helps you line up where what you're playing
Yeah,
on.
but that's fine. That's fine. There are five lines, right? Why do you need a clef?
The circle here on the clef
Hmm.
lines with G, the note G.
Yes, exactly.
That's a whole note.
That's not, and what is this then? What is this note?
Oh wait, no, that's a whole note. This is a quarter note
Yeah. So and this
of one count. Like
and this
that's a half count,
half count or half note.
half note.
So how many count?